Hello everyone, I'm Jeff here. Today, I'm going to introduce you this brand new model Vacmaster VBVB1223PF wet and dry vacuum cleaner with detachable blower. What's so special about this VBVB1223PF? Okay, it has 23 liters capacity. Okay, all round with PP body. Okay, integrated storage system with all accessories. Keep it on board. Okay, and 10 meters wide. And one more thing, this blower can be used detachable. Alright, so what we have here, the accessories for this vacuum. Let's see. For the filter part, we have paper bag, foam filter for wet cleaning, cartridge filter for dry cleaning, 1.8 meter hose, 3 straight wands, blower attachment, previous tools, brush tools, and floor tools. Alright, now let me show you for dry cleaning which filter you need to use. Okay, for dry cleaning, you have to use this cartridge filter, okay, to block all the dust out here to protect the motor. And we recommended to use paper bag. Okay, paper bag. All the dust, rubbish, debris, everything will go inside the bag. So when the bag full, okay, you can just plug it out and just dispose. Let me show you. Okay, you take out the head first. Okay, vacuum head. Here, fix the cartridge filter. Okay, here, set here, okay, then just fit here, okay, and lock it, okay, for here, you need to fix the paper bag, okay, remember, okay, this, let me move to here, okay, fit over here, okay, and then just push it, the paper bag, it's done. For wet vacuum, you only need to use one filter, which is foam filter. So how to exchange let me teach you. Okay. First, remove this brown cartridge filter. Okay. Cover. Okay. Filter off. Okay. This foam filter just in here. Okay. Done. So now I teach you how to open, how to detach this blower out. Okay, first you can see here there's a button here. Okay, you just press the button and lift it up. You can see. Okay, you need this. Okay, this is the adapter. Okay, the adapter to fit in here. Okay, there's a point here. Just follow. Okay, like this. Okay, and you need this. Okay, the attachment. Okay, just fit in. Okay, so the blower will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, that's with 10 meters wire. Okay, this vacuum cleaner have integrated storage system. So let me teach you how to keep every accessories here on board. Done. So you can just take it up and keep it.